Welcome to today's lesson. In the lesson today, we shall look at fractions under the subtopic mixed numbers. What is a fraction? A fraction is part of a whole. A mixed fraction has a whole number part and a fraction part. We shall look at how to add mixed fractions. Let's take this as an example. We have 4.5 added to 2 3/4 added to 3 3/5. In this example, we'll first of all need to add the whole numbers first. The whole numbers in these mixed fractions are 4, 2, and 3. When we add these whole numbers, we end up with 9. Then we'll also add the fraction part. So we'll end up with a half plus 3/4 plus 3/5. To add these fractions, we first of all need to find the LCM of the denominators. We'll use the table method to find this LCM. Therefore, we'll end up with this. 2, 4, and 5. The smallest prime number that can divide any of the three numbers is 2. Therefore, 2 divides 2 to get 1, 2 divides 4 to get 2. But since 2 cannot divide 5 without a remainder, we drop down the 5. Then I'll have 2 divides, we drop down 1, then 2 divides 2 to get 1, and then we drop down 5. Then I'll have 5, we drop down 1, also drop down 1, 5 divides 5 to get 1. These are the prime numbers which when multiplied, they give us the LCM. Therefore, we'll end up with LCM of the three numbers equals to 2 times 2 times 5, which equals to 20. Now we'll come back to our working here, then we rename each fraction in relation to the LCM. Our denominator will be 20. Then we rename the first fraction. 2 divides 20 10 times. 10 times 1 will have 10. Plus 4 divides 20 5 times. 5 times 3 gives us 15. Plus 5 divides 20 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. When we add the values on the numerator, we'll end up with 37 out of 20. But this is an improper fraction. Therefore, we need to check how many times 20 divides 37. And we notice that 20 divides 37 once. There is a remainder 17 out of 20, which we write as a fraction. Now, the first part, we had found our answer as 9. Therefore, we'll add the 9 to the value we found also upon adding the fraction part. Therefore, we'll end up with 9 plus 1 and 17 out of 20. In this, we have 9 added to 1 because those are the whole numbers, of which we'll end up with 10. Then we have the fraction part 17 out of 20. Therefore, When we add 4.5 to 2 3/4 to 3 3/5, we end up with our answer as 10 whole number and 17 out of 20. Therefore, this is how we solve addition involving mixed numbers. Thank you.